Hey, listen, let's get into some more specifics. Everybody watching out there today, I want to tell you that one of the things that I saw when I first met Bill is that I was thinking about all the challenges and how he's addressing some of the digital, issues that are out there. But I wanted to start out our conversation today and saying, what are some of the problems that we're seeing in the industry today, really that businesses are faced with? So what are airlines faced with in managing digital and digital records, or what are engine overhaul companies, or, components, or, Bill, what are you seeing that people are really faced with, that they're challenged with today?
When you talked about problems, I was thinking, well, the most, those challenges, I would call them, that I'm seeing are the problems that are invisible, the things that we've always did that way. Nobody thinks about them. We just do them because we were trained to do them, and we don't even think about it. And innovation means, let's ask the right questions. Do we really need to do it that way? Or are there better ways? And to put it in perspectives, if we think about the paper archiving in this industry, we have a figure in Europe alone. The costs for paper archiving and handling in the aerospace industry, that's more than $80 million every year. So I think that is a problem, even if many people don't see it, because it's what they've been doing all their lives.
Yeah, I would really agree with that. Hey, somebody just threw up a comment that I really like there in the bottom. It says lack of agreement. And, we really see this. We see a lack of agreement of what standardization for digital, what it really means. And so I think we see challenges like that exist out there is that, what do you do? Do you use paper? Do you use PDFs? Do you use some kind of intelligent digitals? I mean, are you seeing that kind of, question happening from people out there?
Well, I'm not so sure if I get the message correctly of that question. As I indicated before, I was the chairman of the German and the TA director of the European Aerospace Standardization, and there we could really do something against these or for the innovation here, and we've made standards that allow to go digital instead of using paper. And of course, paper and the typical archiving of PDFs, that's quite the same. But to go the real digital route with protecting that information with blockchain technology means that you have a very safe and accurate information.